So ina so in yi typing, but right now I can't even type because I'm short of words. Wannan bidiyon ina yin shi ne musamman zuwa ga masoyana waɗanda suke so na unconditionally. I've done so many crazy stuff on this platform, but despite that, masoyin asali, he overlook it, and you guys still love me the way I am. Idan na tuna wani wata rana yana sani in yi kuka sosai ba kaɗan ba. So many people have the reason that they will say, I don't like this idea, Haruna, because she have done this, she have done that. But you people overlook all those things. Thank you so much. I will forever be grateful, inshallah. Thank you.
Kun san yadda wannan duniyar kullum matsala ce, yau kai ne